Kicking off the weekend's proceedings is this very exciting Canossa rally. Luigi Orlandini is the CEO and president of Canossa Events, but you're in Chattanooga. I mean, I bet you never thought you'd be doing one of your amazing events right here in the heart of the South.
To be honest, no, I never thought I would be ever doing an event here. But after I met Byron, I thought that there was no other choice than coming here and doing our whole rally here in beautiful Tennessee.
We're about to head off. What are you driving?
Actually, I'm driving a fantastic Alfa Romeo Montreal, 1978. Fantastic car, very powerful, and I'm sure very fun. Okay, guys, let's go.
Kids waving and everybody. One of the coolest things about any rally like this is they've done all the work for you, so you can just enjoy the ride. I'm not thinking about where I'm going, I'm just literally living in the moment of driving. Well, we made it to the first stop, driving through those beautiful Tennessee mountains, and we're here at this rather lovely winery. But what is it about rallies like this?
Well, for me, it's really three parts, and the car is only a third of it. You get to enjoy this car, other people's cars. I like the camaraderie with the other people, and that's really what it's all about. The vehicle, excuse the pun, is the vehicle that takes you there.
Yeah. Well, that's it for me. This is as far as I go on the Canossa Chattanooga Fall Rally, but I can really tell why these people do this. It's the mix of great friends, your beautiful car, and roads as yet to be discovered. I better head back to the track and see what's going on, but these guys, they've got a lot of miles to do.